Peace out, YouTube. It's your boy John Chef, and it is a Saturday afternoon, and I am at the car wash trying to get the vet washed. Part of your routine maintenance should also be keeping your vehicle clean. So that's what I try to do. Try to keep my vehicle clean as often as I can. And like I said in previous videos, if you have a C8, then one of these automatic car washes, or any automatic car wash, is going to be off limit to you if you have a mid-engine C8 Corvette. And I know a lot of guys that do not take their cars through a automatic car wash. I guess they have time to to wash on their own, but me, my time is very limited. So I have to, take care of maintenance and things like car wash and things like that in between my customers. Because my customers really keeps me really busy, and I really don't have time to do anything but to service these customers. That's why you see me out at the car wash like this, getting the car wash. And yeah, I am on my way to my next customer. And so yeah, that's the reason why I utilize automatic car washes, even though I hate it, but it's convenient for me. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend, staying safe, and as we enter into the Corvette seasons, hope you guys have a good Corvette season, and hopefully before it's over with, I get a chance to go up to the Corvette Museum in Bowling Green and bring you some footage of the Corvette Museum, and hopefully by then they'll have the motor sports park repaired, and weekend races will resume, hopefully. And tomorrow I'm gonna be going to the dealership and making my Sunday videos. And I seen a truckload of C8s coming down 65 as I arrived here, and there's a whole truckload of C8 Corvette going southbound. So hopefully we get 1, 2, or 3 of those Corvettes and I'm gonna definitely be going to the dealership and to see if if we will be receiving one of these beautiful Corvettes that I've seen. As you can tell, I'm still sick. I have allergies and cold this time of year. Plus we had this coronavirus, and I'm still trying to get over this season allergies. That's why my voice is sound funny. I don't really know if it was the allergies or that come in touch with somebody that had coronavirus. You never know. Never know. So either way, I'm doing a whole lot better. And as you see, for it to be a little cheap car wash, it still do a pretty good job. It do a decent job, get all that dust and stuff off of it, all that green pollen and all that kind of stuff off of it. How long it's gonna stay like this, I don't know. I try my best, man, to keep this car up. Sometimes it's hard, sometimes I feel like giving up.